क्या आप कार चला सकते हैं? कैन यू ड्राइव ए कार? कैन यू ड्राइव ए कार? क्या आप ट्रेन से जाएंगे? विल यू गो बाय ट्रेन? विल यू गो बाय ट्रेन? क्या आप इसका उत्तर दे सकते हैं? कैन यू आंसर दिस? कैन यू आंसर दिस? वो क्यों भाग गया? वाई डिड ही रन अवे? वाई डिड ही रन अवे? क्या आप कारण जानते हैं? डू यू नो द रीजन? डू यू नो द रीजन? उसने क्या कहा? What did he say? What did he say? उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did he do that? Why did he do that? वो लड़का कौन है? Who is that guy? Who is that guy? आप इसे संभाल सकते हैं? Can you handle it? Can you handle it? क्या मैं गलत था? Was I wrong? Was I wrong? वे कब आए? When did they arrive? When did they arrive? क्या कल बारिश होगी? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? क्या वो आएगी? Will she come? Will she come? आज आप इतने व्यस्त क्यों हैं? Why are you so busy today? Why are you so busy today? क्या आप मुझे कारण बता सकते हैं? Could you tell me the reason? Could you tell me the reason? तुम क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? तुम झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हो? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? वहाँ पर क्या है? What's that over there? What's that over there? क्या तुम उससे मिलने नहीं गए थे? Didn't you go to meet him? Didn't you go to meet him? क्या तुम बाहर नहीं गए? Didn't you go out? Didn't you go out? क्या आप कृपया मेरी मदद करेंगे? Will you please help me? Will you please help me? क्या आपको पता है कि वे कौन हैं? Do you know who they are? Do you know who they are? क्या मैं ये खा सकता हूँ? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? तुम इतने उदास क्यों दिख रहे हो? Why are you looking so sad? Why are you looking so sad? तुम्हारा कौन सा है? Which one is yours? Which one is yours? तुम कब जाओगे? When will you go? When will you go? क्या मैं आज रात का खाना बनाऊं? Shall I cook dinner tonight? Shall I cook dinner tonight? क्या आपको यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? क्या तुम आ सकते हो? Can you come? Can you come? क्या मैं इसे यहाँ रख सकता हूँ? Can I put it here? Can I put it here? तुमने ये कैसे बनाया? How did you make this? How did you make this? कोई आया अभी तक? Has anybody come yet? Has anybody come yet? मैंने क्या किया? What have I done? What have I done? कहाँ व्यस्त थे आप? Where were you busy? Where were you busy? क्या आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता? Don't you think so? Don't you think so? क्या आपने देखा क्या हुआ? Did you see what happened? Did you see what happened? अगर मैं पकड़ा गया तो? What if I got caught? What if I got caught? आप दिल्ली क्यों आए? Why did you come to Delhi? Why did you come to Delhi? उसे कैसे पता चला? How did he know? How did he know? तुम किसके साथ हो? Who are with you? Who are with you? हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where will we meet? Where will we meet? वे क्या कर रहे हैं? What are they doing? What are they doing? क्या तुम नहीं जाओगे? Won't you go? Won't you go? क्या तुम नहीं आओगे? Won't you come? Won't you come? तुम क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? दरवाजा किसने खुला छोड़ा? Who left the door open? Who left the door open? क्या कुछ हुआ है? Has something happened? Has something happened? क्या तुम्हें खाना बनाना पसंद है? Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? क्या तुमने उसे बाहर जाते देखा? Did you see him go out? Did you see him go out? क्या तुम अंग्रेजी सीख रहे हो? Are you learning English? Are you learning English?